I predicted 2 years ago that the FTX or Mountain Gox collapse, so the Mount Gox collapse will actually make people sell their available Bitcoin. And that's the big problem in the crypto space right now, because if we see a massive sell-off when crypto is basically going down, I think people will be slightly disappointed in that sense. But there is huge potential for the following days. If that's something you want to be kept up to date in, smash that like button.
How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we have news of more clearing of the path to a Bitcoin spot ETF.
So the Bitcoin spot ETF, this is the main talk. I don't think it's gonna, in a sense, have the biggest driving growth it has seen before, but it's definitely gonna be a good start. So it might not be the biggest crypto gain at all. Like, it might not see the same patterns we wanted to see, but it's definitely going to be a very, very nice start in a sense. It's what people wanted to see, and it's what people will see. And that's where I think the big potential comes in for crypto overall. So that's going to be some good news. If that is something like people want to see, that's just what people want to see. And the retail will definitely be flocking in after that. And I'm definitely really, really excited. And there's gonna be more news for the spot ETFs on January 10th, if you haven't heard of that. So there's gonna be one potential way that most people will be joining in. Look at this, Binance Coin 15% up. This is just a crazy world. Binance Coin had a lot of problems with these spot ETFs, and now look at this. It actually has a ton of updates, and this is where I find it honestly really exciting to see that Binance Coin might have a lot of potential in a way. It might have a lot of updates for its, well, basic, for its next few days. Binance Coin might be one of the biggest things we have seen so far. So that's something that people are really excited to talk about.
It gets swallowed right back up. You can see some cryptocurrency still doing well, though. Solana was at 123 yesterday. Now it's at 114, a little bit of a pullback. BNB up 12% of the day, almost $300. Not exactly sure what's going on there. That's nutty from BNB because it's pretty.
BNB has been having a lot of regulation, and this is just my theory for a lot of these crypto coins. The best potential about it is a lot of the crypto coins will actually end up surviving. So if they end up surviving like the bear market, they will see a massive rally after because they're so undervalued. I think this is where the real potential comes in for a lot of these coins. This is where the big bull run prices are really becoming strong in really where people decide, okay, it's time to buy, it's time to get in. It's super early, right? And this is the amazing factor of crypto right now, is people have the possibility to get in early into crypto. And here's what I'm seeing right now is that crypto is probably going to be even stronger in the future days. So if that's something like right now that I'm seeing is actually Mt. Gox having people to sell crypto is not necessarily a bad thing because they never meant to stay in crypto long term. These holders have been in crypto probably they already forgot about it because Mt. Gox crashed in what, 2013, 2014. So to tank the price, I mean, people shouldn't be frustrated at them to really tank the price because that's completely normal in my sense. Everybody saw that. And everybody predicted that for about 6 years, for about 10 years, we were talking that the prices will crash. And people shouldn't be too much worried about this one, that the prices will crash. I mean, that's pretty normal if you ask me. And it's pretty cool to see crypto right now growing in that sense.
We'll just say, hey, I've waited 10 years. I can wait one more year and then just hold on to it. Keep in mind, it's only $6 billion. The market cap is $836 billion. So yes, if everyone sold at the exact same time.
Yeah, so I think the people that will want to sell the Mt. Gox tokens will sell already the first day it arrives. It will take a hit, maybe 3%, maybe 5%. We don't know. But those who want to hold for the long years, for 10 years, 20 years, who say, oh, I still like crypto. I still have a ton of money. I don't know what to do with it. I have everything now in life. Maybe I bought it when it was very cheap. This is going to be the big, big difference for a lot of these holders. They're going to simply decide not to sell in that aspect. So that's going to be the major change for a lot of these bigger holders.
Time, it would force down the price pretty drastically. But a lot of people will just stagger it out or they won't sell. I think it's more the fear of Mt. Gox Bitcoin being sent out than anything else, because we've seen this over the last over the last 10 years. We've heard about this impending doom after the Bitcoin sent back to them. The price is going to drop, but there's so much excitement. This is just like a little blip on the radar. Some people
Exactly. So there's going to be a ton of retail investors coming in. I think that's going to be also an excitement. There's going to be a ton of people coming in that sense, and there's really no reason to say, okay, crypto is going to drop. I just don't see it. And if you guys see it, that's okay too, but there is no reason why it would. And that's for a very, very simple reason. People just realized, hey, crypto, it's here to stay, and there's going to be probably a lot more investors than just them, than just these people from Mt. Gox, which can be a very small portion. Mt. Gox appears to have started PayPal repayments tied to 2014. So they might have gotten more money now, more than 230,000 investors, so including at least 29K of New York, of more than 1 billion. So I don't think this 1 billion would crash the market. It definitely crashed the market in 2014, 10 years ago, but in 10 years ago, it changed a lot. So here you have it, folks, the answer for you today. If you guys want more content like this, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Stay tuned, stay updated with more content like this. Until next time, peace everyone.